What's up? Hope you're going well. So I decided to enter on EU here. We have a nice double tap here. And then when buyers show up, I did enter here, stop loss here, already hit TP1. Let's see how it goes. If we look also at the XY, it's starting to reject, so it's a good sign for me here. The 90 level, 88.90. We do have some nice rejection on the 15 minutes. On the 30 minutes, it's not closing yet, but that looks nice for now. Let's see. And also there is a potential swing on that one. Let's see. Mm, 2, thank you. So I have two position on that. It's an open TP. There's a potential swing on that, so I might hold it. What I want to see, it's a lower low on the XY. We have a double tap, lower low, that would be nice, and a lower high. That will confirm a reverse flow on the XY. Come on, man. Oof. I put myself B, or at least let me see here. Copy. E 65.5. Come on now. So he has to hold above 115.66. Come on, man. Oof. Almost got me LBE, bro. Almost. Oof. Bro. Point one pip? I'm still in. Still in, bro. Still in. Bro. That would be crazy, bro. Crazy. Point one pip from getting me LBE. Crazy. Never seen that before. Point one pip. Point one pip, bro. See, they didn't trigger, and also on my MT5 didn't trigger. But who knows? Who knows, bro? It's kind of volatile now. Hopefully in my direction. Bro, that was crazy. Almost got me LBE, man. Continue, bro. So I said 66, 115.66. It did hold, but now I want to see a nice high that will reach TP3. Come on now. Wow. Don't get me, don't pull back on me, man. Just keep going, man. That's crazy. That was really crazy. And this is live, bro. Woo! Imagine, bro. Imagine I would put myself be at 65.6, would got me LBE and then potentially, go to TP3. Potentially. We're not there yet, but bro, imagine the precision. Precision, bro. Oof, crazy. For now, the momentum is on my side. For now. Have a nice 30 minutes closure. Nice M5 that will close in 2 minutes. That's crazy. And if this candle close bullish, there's a potential for me to moon. Let's go, my man. Might stop the recording at TP3 and try to max it out this trade. Bro, that is just crazy. Imagine, bro. Imagine point 0.1 pip if I would put point 0.1 pip above, you would get got me out the crazy. Woo! That's crazy. Let's go DXY. Doing good. Bro. Bro. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, bro? What just happened? What just happened? Bro. Bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Bro. What's happening? What's happening? It's happening. Bro, it's crazy. It's crazy. Do I close? Close one position? Bro, that's just crazy. What just happened, bro? Bro. What the? What the? What the? I'm gonna close the other position. Bro, I'm good. I'm good. Good for now. Thank you very mucho. Bro, what just happened, bro? What just happened? Yo. I'm good. I'm good. Bro. Crazy, bro. I'm good. I'm good. Yo. Yo. That was just crazy, bro. I got out, but I don't know what just happened. There's potential for, I don't know. There is. I don't know. I'm good, man. So let's see here. That is the crazy setup I ever seen since a long time, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if I have the, look at that, look at that. Still going. Still going, but I'm out. It's too crazy, man. Ooh, yo, bro. Look at that. Look at that, man. What's happening, bro? What's happening? Whoa. Still going. Whoa. So we have a nice break and retest on the one. Damn, bruh. So, yo, that is just crazy. Yo. So let me see here what price I close. Can like, yo, what's happening, bruh? What the? Oh, I'm still recording? Just want to see my damn, bruh. Okay, so why I did TPI? Whoa. So crazy setup. I don't know what happened. Almost got me out. So I did take two TPs. So one 15. This yo here. And the other one, it's like, bro, 1.15, maybe to 4. Bro, hey, bro, don't trigger you too. Don't need you, bro. Yo, bro, I don't need you. Come on, man. Said no. Yo, it's crazy. That is just crazy, and it keeps going, bro. So that's the setup there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, yo. Anyways, oh yeah, yeah. So, yep, that is the setup, and I will be live tonight, 7 p.m. on YouTube. If you have questions, if you want to look at chart with me, you can. And also, I'm doing the quiz there, the trading quiz. So it's a good time to test your skills. And I will select the winner by the end of this month. And the more, the more, higher is your score, the higher probability that you will get a private mentorship with me. Crazy setup today. So on that, hope you have a good trading day and peace.